With over 85 data centers located throughout the world, Fujitsu is the third largest global provider of IT services. Fujitsu America operates a network of Tier 3 and Tier 4 rated data centers in North America and the Caribbean. The upgrade and expansion of its Sunnyvale data center is just one example of Fujitsu's ongoing commitment to highly secure, efficient, and environmentally sustainable data centers, capable of meeting the increasingly high level of service and availability demanded by its customers. Fujitsu has combined expertise in data center operations, consulting, and hardware to provide customers with robust, industrialized IT solutions.
Fujitsu's approach to industrialized IT is really grounded around three principles. Those principles are agility, standardization, and innovation. One of the great capabilities that we have is our Trioli for Service offering. That service offering really is the embodiment of continuous improvement, statistical process control, and we've wrapped that around a core set of infrastructure processes known within the industry as ITIL. From that offering, we were able to quickly deliver a set of standardized, repeatable processes that allow us to deliver great customer service that's standardized, repeatable, and embodies the industry's best practices.
Here in North America, we've formed the IT Service Group in order to deliver world-class outsourcing and managed services. As part of that, we have been spending millions of dollars to upgrade and expand our data center facilities. We're responsible for delivering Fujitsu's dynamic infrastructure services to our clients, both here in our data center and also out at our client sites. Here in Sunnyvale, we've upgraded and expanded our data center by spending $20 million to create a Tier 3 facility. In this facility, we've actually deployed green technology where we could and utilized green concepts whenever possible.
We were expanding the floor space by about 3 times, from 13,000 square feet to roughly 32,000 square feet. We've also implemented major upgrades to our power and cooling infrastructure. So throughout this project, for our electrical upgrades, we actually rolled out about 114 miles of copper electrical cable, as well as 18 miles of electrical conduit and over 11 miles of overhead wire mold. The net result of this project is that we have 8 times the capacity for hosting capability than we did before the project began. From a green IT perspective, we've actually implemented several items here at the data center. One thing we've done is we've moved the traditional power infrastructure from below the raised floor to overhead, hanging from the ceiling over the racks. What this allows us to do is actually reduce the amount of cooling required, because there's increased space below the floor, as well as less heat generated from the bottom of the data center. The actual layout of the racks on our data center floor space has been designed from a hot aisle, cold aisle containment perspective, which actually allowed us to increase our cooling temperature by 5 degrees Fahrenheit while maintaining the same temperature for the servers. Fujitsu was the first company in the Silicon Valley to implement a hydrogen fuel cell.
One of the benefits of the hydrogen fuel cell is the CO2 emissions are reduced significantly. We saved nearly 781 tons of CO2 out of the atmosphere each year, which is the equivalent of about 146 acres of forests every year. Also, we have nitrous oxide reductions that are equivalent of taking 146 cars off of the street each year.
Another environmentally friendly design feature is our air handling system, where we implemented a airside economizer, which allows us to utilize the outside ambient air to augment our cooling, therefore reducing the cost of energy for running our air conditioning system. By using the airside economizers, we've been able to reduce our cost for cooling by about 20%. So by implementing these efficiencies, the net result, we were able to reduce our carbon footprint by approximately 21%, which is equivalent to 3,800 tons of carbon, which would fill the new Dallas Cowboys Stadium 3/4 full. Throughout this project, we've utilized numerous Fujitsu technologies, including Fujitsu's 10 gigabit network technology. Our entire fabric is based on this 10 gigabit platform. We've also deployed Fujitsu's biometric security platform, Palm Secure, which is a palm-based scanner scanning the veins of the individual's palm for security.
Another Fujitsu technology that's being deployed in the data center is our Primergy servers. This is a platform that allows us to deliver managed hosting as well as cloud services to our customers.
The Primergy product line has a number of green features across the whole product line. Individual servers have some additional features, but as a generic term across the whole product line, we've released a feature we call Cool Safe. And Cool Safe involves a range of features in the product line, everything from the actual cut of the front face of the server itself, the hexagonal cut, to let air flow through, right down to some of the way we've actually allowed the air to go through the machine itself. When you look at that compared to many of the other servers in the industry, we get as much as 20, even 30% advantage in terms of power and cooling capabilities.
From an innovation perspective, Fujitsu invests significantly across the world in research and development. And we're able to leverage that investment to quickly bring new technologies to play for our customers.
Fujitsu has long been known for its quality products, service excellence, and integrity in its business dealings. I think all of these attributes serve us well in the IT services marketplace.